Today we will show you how to fix unidentified network issue. No internet access on Windows 10. Please consider subscribe and drop a like. That's really mean a lot to me. Let's get right into solution. Open search bar, type control panel. Click on control panel. Click on network and internet, then network and sharing center. Click on change adapter setting. Right click on your network and go to properties. Mark the internet protocol version 4 and then press OK. Go to setting. Click on network and internet. Click on network troubleshooter. Select Ethernet and click on next. Close the troubleshooter. Go to search bar and search command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Type this and press enter. And type this. Press enter. And again type this and press enter. And close it. Again go to command prompt, run as administrator, type this and press enter and close it. Firstly go to setting, click on update and security and check for updates. If there are new update available, then download it and restart your PC. Go to search bar and type device manager. Click on device manager. Expand network adapter. If you don't know your network, then open your network setting. Click on Ethernet. Now go to change adapter option and now you can see it. Now go to device manager and uninstall your network. Now you uninstall your network. Now you have to restart your PC. In this method, go to control panel. Click on control panel. Now click on network and internet, network and sharing center. Now click on change adapter setting. Right click on your network and go to property. Now double click on internet protocol version 4 and select this option. Now type 88888844. Tick this option and press OK. Now close the troubleshooter. In this method, if nothing works for you, you can unplug and plug your Ethernet cable back in your PC and also check your Ethernet cable should be plugged in lane 1 on the router. And still you are facing same problem, you can contact your internet provider or you can restart your router.